Start your import-export business in just 2 days. No more struggle in arranging finance for your import-export business. Make use of trade finance facilities and get started with your import-export business in just 2 days. Being the international trade finance provider in Dubai, we can provide trade finance facilities such as letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantee. Since we extend our own credit lines on behalf of your company, we can issue the required trade finance facility at zero collateral in just 2 days. So, why are you waiting for? Click on the link given in the description box and submit your requirements to us. We will go through your trade finance request and come up with the best possible solution that is workable for your business. To discuss with us, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 971504648761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.